Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we are going to see job opportunities for mechanical engineer. The name of the company is International Technology. So this is if you type grinternational.tech, you will be getting following result. There you need to choose GR International. Once you click on it, you will be directed to the official website of the company. So regarding the company, it has been established in 1984, almost 37 years. The company has been running successfully. If you want to join hands with them, then just apply for it. So they mainly focus on roundness measurement machines, measuring machines and calibration equipments. These are the three categories they focus upon. And here you can see three dots here. Once you click on those three dots, you can get many other options like this. Out of it, you have to choose career. Choose career. So here you can get following result. Almost 14 results have been there, and whichever is applicable and comfortable and fit for your profile, you can apply for it. The first one will be fresher design engineer. So once you click on it, the job location is in Indore, and they haven't disclosed the salary, and freshers can apply for this, and if you have 1 year experience means then it's added advantage. They are looking for mechanical engineer to work on the product stages from development to design and manufacture through installation, and you need to work as a mechanical design of the motor like housing, water jackets, shaft, rotor, etc. So you have to select the appropriate material required for housing and shafting, and work on modeling simulations. You have to study the possible failure modes like bearing wear, rotor imbalance, etc. You have to develop and test the prototypes. You have to work on engineering drawing and concept sketches. So these are the things you have to be well versed, and preferably mechanical and automobile people can make use of it. So B or BTech in automobile means then you can apply. So here they have given regarding the company details which we seen already. If you are willing to apply, just click on apply and give all your basic details and apply for this job. When you come back, you can see other jobs like design engineer, Nagpur. If you are willing to work in Nagpur, then just apply and apply for this job. And job description are almost same, so no need to explain it again. So if you are willing to work, you just click on apply and apply for this job. And next one is design engineer in Lucknow. See here, if you are willing to work in Lucknow, you just click on apply and apply for this job. Same job description is almost same only. So I am now just going to explain it. So next one is if you are willing to work in Surat. If you are willing to work in Surat, you just click on it. So Surat and Ahmedabad is available, and if you are willing to work in Chennai, you will be getting a salary of 2.5 to 3.25 lakh per annum, and you must have minimum of 1 to 4 years of experience. And job location might also be in Bengaluru too. So here you can see the job location as Kolkata. Salary they haven't disclosed, and freshers can apply, and even 1 year experience candidate can also apply. The job description and other details are almost same, so I just skipped it up. And if you want to work in New Delhi means, then just go with it. And if you want to work in Pune means, you can go as a diploma in mechanical engineer. So here job location for so those who are willing to work in Coimbatore or Hyderabad also, you can make use of it. Just click it up and just apply for it. And even Pune job location is also available. So Coimbatore job location is also available. So many various locations I have just mentioned above, and whichever is comfortable and applicable and fit for you, you just go with it. And in case if your profile matches with it, then apply for this job by just giving your basic details, and they will be intimating you through your registered mail ID and phone number. If you feel this video is useful means, kindly share the video to mechanical graduate. They will be making the best use of it, and do subscribe our channel and stay tuned with our channel. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.